is Jasmine.
I'm Dana.
We'd like to welcome you back to our weekly Facebook Live. So we go live every Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So today we are going to be showing you 2 DIYs that are great for this holiday season. The first DIY that I will show you is scented pine cones. So scented pine cones are great if you are entertaining. Like you can see here, it's really cute to be like a centerpiece, or even you can have it into your restroom as well. So all you need is a container to hold your pine cones, something decorative like this. We're using a star today. And of course you need your pine cones, and then an essential oil of your choice. So today I'm going to be using cinnamon leaf because cinnamon leaf reminds me of the holiday season. So I'm just going to add about 5 drops of essential oil. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can actually add more or less. I'm doing 5 because I feel like that's, I can smell the aroma right here. You can,
it smells really good.
You can definitely smell it. But you can add more if you are having it in a larger area or anything like that, or if you just love your essential oil and want it to smell a lot stronger, go ahead and add more drops to your liking. Hi, Tiffany.
You can refresh it too by adding more drops if the smell fades. So
yes, definitely.
All right, so next DIY, I'll be showing you how to do scented cards. So what you'll need is some Christmas cards or cards of your choice, 1 cotton ball, a Ziploc bag, and essential oil of your choice. So I'll be using Holiday just because it's Christmassy again.
Love Holiday.
It smells so good. It's really like cinnamony and orangey. It's yummy.
Yes.
So what you'll do is you'll put about 5 drops on the cotton ball, and then you'll stick it in the plastic bag along with your cards. And then you just seal it, and then leave it overnight. And then when you open it up again in the morning, your cards will smell yummy and Christmassy.
That's so fun.
It's so simple, so easy to do, and it just adds that like extra to your cards.
Yeah. I would love to get a card that smelled really good.
Yes.
Because they have so many cool cards nowadays, but if you can customize it to like your friend's favorite aroma or anything like that.
Yeah.
So if your friend loves like citrus, you can do like citrus bursts, and they'll be sure to love it. Hi Donna and hi Barbara. Happy Friday, ladies. Okay. And also, we have a special product now available on our website. So we now have soap grains available on our website, plantlife.net. And so what soap grains are, so we're a no-waste company. So when we make your bar soaps, we don't just throw away the scraps or anything like that. We want to make sure that we don't waste anything.
Yeah, every part is used.
Yes, every part is used. So what we do is we chop up those extra pieces that can't be put into a soap, and then we just package them into this awesome jute bag, and you can use them like in your shower because it comes with a rammy, so you can go ahead and use it in the shower and scrub, or you can use it for DIY projects.
Yes, like for example, you can fill this and then stick it in your drawers, and your drawers will smell yummy. And
yes. And you can also remelt it and make your own soap with your DIY projects. And we do have a video available on our YouTube channel. Our username is Plantlife World if you look onto YouTube, and you'll see awesome ways to use our soap grains.
You can check it out at youtube.com/plantlifeworld.
Yes, so that's super exciting. If you do purchase our soap grains and make a DIY project with them, we'd love to see it and hear from you. So go ahead and leave a comment down below after this video is done, or come back and visit us and tell us exactly what you made with our soap grains. So as always, we appreciate you guys for watching, and we will see you next Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
See you guys.